To my channel, Ulove Chani. Your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail, and that's on what? Period. Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Ulove Chani. It's me, Chani, your favorite. Your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail, and that's on what? Period. All right, y'all. So we haven't been back in a while, but we are back with tacos. You can tell from the title that we have tacos. Okay, these are famously known as our house tacos because these are the tacos that we eat at our house. Before I get into all these toppings and everything else, the drink. It's a lunch bang, y'all. So this is Dr. Pepper in a fancy glass. We always start here. No cocktail, but whatever. Ooh, nothing like a good cold Dr. Pepper. All right, y'all. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share and hit the bell to be notified every single time her uploads and or goes live. All right, now the housekeeping is out the way. We can talk about these tacos because your girl is starving. It is lunchtime and I am on my lunch break. Quick video. Okay, yeah, I'm so happy to be back. I missed you guys so much. And we back. All right, so we have, of course, not of course, because tacos can be a million things, but these is ground beef, cheese, lettuce, tomato, green onion, and cilantro. I'll put it right here. I think I named everything. Okay. So you guys, we are back. Welcome to all my new subscribers. And welcome back to my OG angels. Y'all know we got these fully loaded, okay? Fully loaded. Down here in the Gulf, so tacos is one of our most popular things. Good. Too good. Yeah, I put 3 up here. I don't know. Let's see how I go. Because this is my lunch break. I seen that tomato jump ship. So y'all, what have y'all been up to? I haven't recorded. I dropped the grocery haul. So if you missed that, go back and watch that. But before that, I haven't recorded in a month. It's not too good. So much has happened, y'all. Shout out to everybody who checked on me, whether it was on Instagram. Y'all just follow me on TikTok. I post all that around. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Whether you emailed me or commented on one of my old videos while I was gone, thank you. Leave in the comments what you like on your tacos. Everybody's tacos is different. Everybody. Especially depending on where you are. Are you up north, east coast, west coast, or down south here with me? Everybody's taco is going to be different. It's good. Now, the peanut gallery had theirs with sour cream and jalapenos. So I have all these toppings, but they added sour cream and jalapenos to theirs. We good with this. Cheers. So good. Also, I want to know where you are. Leave that in the comments where you are and how's the weather. Because our weather right now is so, I don't know what to call it. This morning I woke up to 52. I know it's March, the end of March. The end of March. Waking up to 52 and then going back out to 80, 82. That's a crazy, that's 30 degrees. Now tell me how your weather is and tell me where you're located. Is it snowing? Let me stop complaining. Let me stop complaining. Is it snowing where you're at? Hmm. So yeah, Lee, how's the weather? What you been up to since I've been gone? Me? Just work. Just work. If you are a new angel, like newly subscribed, I am the mother to two teenagers, 18 and 16. So work and them keeps me pretty busy. I was in shout out to Quarters Eats. I was in her live and we was talking about our kids. And I said they ages and she was like, they that old already? I'm like, yeah. Because I've been on YouTube for a few years. Not that many. But when we started, they was younger. Not at 18 and 16. I can't believe it. How old are your kids? Let me see if y'all in the same range with me. Y'all got younger ones. Hmm. How old are your children right now, as of today? How many do you have? Two, 18 and 16. My son is 18 and my daughter is 16. That's for new subscribers. All my OG angels, y'all know the peanut gallery. Y'all know. That's just for my new people. Mm, 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 mm. Good. A mess on the plate, but good. I don't want to talk about P.Diddy. Mm, 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 mm. That's an old saying. All them people can't be lying on you. That's the old saying. All them people can't be lying. I don't know. Sean Combs. He was already in trouble for not paying the people for their music. I don't know. Y'all think somebody trying to just take him down? What y'all think? Slim Thug was saying, y'all know Houston's finest. He was saying, I hate to see y'all take him down like this because there haven't been, no charges have been filed. He's not arrested. He's free to travel. This is basically what they were saying on the radio. But they already took Kanye down. I said, ooh, that's he. Good point. Very good point. But the crimes that he's accused of, y'all know, if y'all keeping up, you got to be keeping up. This Diddy story is big. It's big. This is overshadowing J-Lo. I know she mad. A documentary. Y'all tell me if y'all watch J-Lo documentary, because I didn't. Girl, I ain't got time to waste. Oh. And I love documentaries. I love documentaries, but J-Lo, mm-mm. It's a no for me. But yeah. Oh, P.Diddy. What I don't like is his homes was raided, y'all. Y'all know his homes was raided in LA and Miami. I don't know if they hit New York too. I think they hit New York too. And his sons were detained. I don't like that. He gone on a flight. He gone on a flight. And your sons get detained. Now, luckily, the twins, the girls, it's three girls. It's one set of twins and another little girl. That was with Kamora Lee. They wasn't at the house, luckily. Which makes me think. If you know they coming to raid your house, you catch a flight. You know they're not gonna arrest your sons. They're gonna detain them because they can't be just walking freely around the home while they raiding it. You know they're gonna be detained but not arrested, and you know your girls is good with Kimora. That's when you leave the country. That's interesting, don't y'all think? Mm. On the flight getting a haircut, baby, I was hollering. Hmm. Y'all seen that clip? That man on the flight getting a haircut. Barber cutting his hair on a private flight. I said, I got to fly private. You mean tell me my barber can cut my hair? This might not be new to some of y'all. You mean my barber can cut my hair mid-flight? You can just do whatever you want on a private jet. That man on the flight getting a haircut, smiling. Y'all think Miami gonna go down? Cause they said she was with. Mm, she right along with him and can't be viewed as an accomplice. Mm, 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 mm. If you haven't already, catch up on the Diddy story and get in my comments and tell me what you think. I can't remember what country they say he was flying to, but it's the country where they can't extradite him back to the U.S. I just can't remember exactly which. I'll put it right up here if I remember it while I'm editing. If I remember, I'll put it up here, but it's a country where you will not get extradited back to the United States of America. That boy pulled a Russell Simmons. Mm. That's crazy. I don't know. P. Diddy was one of my favorites. Growing up, Yeah. But the allegations are, for lack of a better term, horrific. It started with Cassie. He paid her out so she can be quiet. But the snowball had already started. Mm, that's crazy. So y'all get in my comments and tell me what y'all think about the P. Diddy. Have y'all and all the conspiracies? I could talk about this for hours. Just the facts surrounding it. It's so crazy. They said, hypothetically, allegedly, let me make sure I say that. They said, what if the raid wasn't for Diddy? It was, y'all put two and two together, y'all smart. What if it was to get rid of some stuff that he had in his home, never to be found again? Hmm? I don't know, y'all. I don't know. He have not been charged. That could be because he's powerful, or that could be because they don't have all their ducks in a row. I don't know, y'all. Just tell me what you think. Young Miami girl, you better do like J-Lo. J-Lo got the on when he caught that other case. J-Lo was like, I don't take cases, I don't do cases, I don't play like that. Period. Mm-mm. Ain't no tinies over here. We ain't taking no cases. I ain't going. Yeah, I'm full, and this is my lunch break. So yeah, that's it. It's just one bite. I still gotta edit the video. Mm, too good. Too good. Hold on, let me refill my drink, y'all. Be right back. And we're back. Okay. Gotta refill because I gotta edit this video and put it up. Cheers. Mm-mm-mm. Get in my comments. Tell me where you located, all the questions I asked you throughout the video so I can know that you're really watching and really paying attention. Don't forget to leave your comments on P. Diddy and his situation because that is so crazy. We are witnessing the downfall of one of the greatest producers slash dancers, because if you know, you know. One of the greatest producers slash dancers. We watching the downfall in real time. The fall from grace. That's what it's called. We watching the P. Diddy fall from grace in real time. That's crazy. So leave y'all comments in the comment box. I love the comments. I love to talk to y'all. I respond to every single comment. Don't forget to go back and watch the grocery haul if you haven't already. All of these items came from the grocery haul. So if you want to know everything, I listed it, but if you want to know everything, go back and watch the grocery haul. It dropped on Monday. Let me get out of here so I can put this video up for you guys. I love y'all so much. Help us hit 10K. I'm still this lighting. I don't know. My screen cracked and messed with the lighting. It's a lot of behind the scenes stuff going on. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to get better, y'all. Help us hit 10K. by liking, commenting, and subscribing. So we can get back in the algorithm. Y'all, we've been gone for a long time. I'm going to try to push these videos out. That's my part. And y'all, I need y'all to do y'all part. Like, comment, subscribe, share, rewatch, watch my little playlist, watch the grocery hauls, because they are just equally as important. Because you can pretty much guess from there what we're going to have for the week. We gone, because I'm still just rambling. I'm just a rambling. Like, I ain't got to go back to work, edit this video, and go back to work. Your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail. Shani, duh. It's me, duh. And we back. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your day, whatever day this is. I don't know what day we put it up. Who knows? Bye. I'll see y'all on the next one. Cheers. Clink, 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 clink.